Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Tecno Camon 20, the latest addition to Tecno Camon series for 2025. This phone aims to deliver a balance between premium features and affordability, making it an interesting option for those looking for a capable smartphone without breaking the bank. Starting with the design, the Tecno Camon 20 brings a sleek and modern look with a stylish rear panel that features a textured finish for better grip. The camera module is slightly raised, giving it a premium aesthetic. The phone is slim, lightweight and easy to hold, making it comfortable for everyday use. It is available in a range of colors, allowing users to pick one that suits their style. The display is a large AMOLED panel offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts, perfect for watching videos, gaming and general use. With a high refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel smooth, enhancing the overall user experience. Under the hood, the Tecno Camon 20 is powered by a capable processor optimized for smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming or streaming content. Paired with ample RAM and storage options, this phone ensures that apps run efficiently and there is enough space for photos, videos and files. The battery life is impressive, with a large battery capacity that can last a full day on a single charge. Fast charging support means you can quickly top up the battery when needed, making it convenient for users on the go. One of the standout features of the Tecno Camon 20 is its camera system. The rear camera setup is designed to capture sharp and detailed photos in different lighting conditions. AI enhancements improve image processing, ensuring colors are natural and vibrant. The night mode allows for clear low-light photography, reducing noise and improving brightness. The front camera is equally capable, making it a great choice for selfies and video calls. Additional camera features include portrait mode, ultra-wide-angle shots and various filters to enhance creativity. On the software side, the Tecno Camon 20 runs on the latest version of iOS, which is Tecno's custom Android skin. It brings several useful features, including system optimization, smart gestures and an improved user interface. The software is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to navigate and customize according to personal preferences. For security, the phone includes multiple unlocking options, including a fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Both methods are fast and reliable, ensuring quick access to the device while keeping data secure. In terms of connectivity, the Tecno Camon 20 supports fast network speeds, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other essential features needed for seamless communication and browsing. The speakers deliver decent audio quality suitable for media consumption and gaming. Overall, the Tecno Camon 20 offers a solid package for users looking for a stylish and feature-packed smartphone at a reasonable price. With a good display, strong performance, excellent cameras and long battery life, it checks many boxes for an everyday smartphone user. If you're considering an upgrade, this might be a phone worth looking into. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching FK iPhone and see you in the next one.